scammers hitting homeowners across the Wabash Valley.
As families continue to clean up from last week's storms, many are getting offers from tree removers, roofers, and repair crews. But picking the wrong company can cost you.
News 10's Joe Ostrowski reports on how to make sure you don't get cheated.
As storms tore through his neighborhood last Wednesday, John Pfister took cover in his basement. He still remembers the sounds of that night.
As soon as things died down a little bit, we came upstairs to find that one of the big tree limbs landed on our roof.
In fact, the limb had torn a hole in his roof. Pfister knew just who to call, the same company that put on the roof in the first place.
He came out, he put a tarp over the holes.
But not everyone was so fortunate. Those who work in the home trades say severe storms are often opportunities for scammers and shoddy workers to take advantage of those whose lives have already been blown apart.
They're trying to make a quick buck, and so they flock. Not only our own local people that take advantage of their neighbors and their friends, it's people from out of state.
Doan says there are a few ways you can protect yourself, like asking for references and checking that workers are bonded. She also says you should never hire companies that don't have an address or a working phone number.
Never be afraid to ask a question. Never be afraid to ask for references. Never be afraid. It's your money. And you need to protect not only your money, but also your livelihood.
And it's money these door-to-door companies can risk in another way. Many don't have insurance, meaning you'll have to foot the bill if a worker's injured on the job. That could cost a homeowner hundreds of thousands of dollars. And after a storm like this, homeowners are already paying a heavy price. In Terre Haute with Chief Photojournalist Mike Latta, Joe Ostrowski, News 10.
Experts say one of the best ways to find good workers is to ask around. They say most neighbors or friends will know companies that do good work and can help steer you away from companies that do not.